Welcome back to video classes. Already we learnt in the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables the three important methods. What is that? Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. And the previous video I explained the very important topic: equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. The normal equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. That is part 1. Now today part 2. So the same models, sometimes they may give like this. That's why this is the first question. 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So here we have to do something, then only we get the previous video questions. Now here how to do, carefully you see, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. That implies x and x will be cancelled. Now 7 by y minus y and y will be cancelled by minus 2 by x is equal to 5. 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Coming to the second equation, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. So x and x will be cancelled, then that is nothing but 8 by y plus y and y will be cancelled, then that is nothing but 7 by x is equal to 15. When it is cancelled, only here multiplication symbol is there, 8 into x, x into y, then only we can cancel. If it is 8 plus x, x plus y, we cannot cancel. Understand that? Here also, if it is 7 plus y, x plus y, we cannot cancel. Here 7 into y and x into y. That's why we cancel and we got two new equations. This is equation 1 and equation 2. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Now the problem looks like the previous video sum. It is nothing but 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Already you know how to do this sum. Even then, once again I will explain this sum also. Now the equations still it is in the equations only. It is not in pair of linear equations in two variables. Understand? Now I will convert these equations into pair of linear equations into two variable so that you can solve that sums. You know very well how to do this sum. Already you learned in the last video, previous video. Here I can write 7 into 1 by pi, 7 into 1, 7 by pi, minus 2 into 1 by x is equal to 5, Here 8 into 1 by y, 7 into 1 by x is equal to 15. 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x is equal to 15. Let 1 by x or 1 by y is equal to p and 1 by x is equal to q. 1 by y is equal to p and 1 by x is equal to q. Your wish, if you want, you can take 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. No problem. Here 1 by y is nothing but p, that's why 7p minus 2q is equal to 5. Here 1 by yp, 8p plus 7q is equal to 15. Now the normal equations are reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. Now this is equation 3, this is equation 4. Now I am going to solve these two pair of linear equations in any method, that is nothing but elimination method and cross multiplication method and the substitution method. Better you practice only elimination and substitution because the cross multiplication method is deleted for this academic year 2020-2021. Understand? That's why already practice no problem, but here itself only practice only this one. But in that substitution, more practice should be on substitution and elimination method. So here I got two equations. This is equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Here I am going to eliminate q. That's what I am multiplying with equation 3 into 7. Equation 3 into 7. Equation 3 into 7. Here equation 4 into 2. Then only if it is equation 3 into 7, this will be minus 14q. If equation 4 into this will be plus 14q. Then only those two will be cancelled, we will get p value. Now carefully multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49p. 7 sevens are 49p. Minus 2 sevens are 14q. 2 sevens are 14. Here 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Coming to this full equation into 2, 8 2s are 16p. 8 2s are 16p. Plus 7 2s are 14q is equal to 15 2s are 30. Carefully we have to multiply both LHS and RHS. 7 into 7 into 7 49. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, into 7, into 7, into 7, into 2, 16, into 2, 14, into 2, 30. Now, I am going to eliminate, because here 14q, here minus 14q, here plus 14q, so that I can, I can add. So, automatically minus 14q and plus 14q will be cancelled, 0. Adding, that's right, this symbol is plus, this symbol is also plus. 49 plus 16, 49 plus 16, 50, 55, 65. 65p is equal to 35 plus 30, 65. So, 65p is nothing but 65 to p is equal to 65 by 65. So, transposing 65 by 65. So P is equal to 65 by 65 is equal to 1. So I got P value. Substitute P value in equation 3 or 4 so that you get P value. So put P is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4. I am taking 3. So what is 7p minus 2q is equal to 5. P value is 1. That's why 7 into 1 minus 2q is equal to 5. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 2q is equal to 5. 7 minus 2q is equal to 5. Here carefully listen. 7, this plus 5 will be transposing from that side to this side, minus 5 is equal to, this minus 2q will be plus 2q. Minus 2q will be plus 2q. That's why 7 minus 5 is equal to, here I am writing, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 2q. 2 is equal to 2q. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2q, 2 is equal to 2q. So that is nothing but 2q is equal to 2, 2q is equal to 2, q is equal to 2 into 2 will be divided by 2, that's why 2 by 2, q is equal to 1, q is equal to 1. I got P is equal to 1 and I got Q is equal to 1. P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. This is not final answer. Now we have to substitute these P and Q values in 1 by y and 1 by x so that we'll get x value and y value. Here I got P is equal to 1 and the Q is equal to 1. Actually, what is P? P is equal to 1 by y is equal to P. That's why instead of P, I write 1 by y is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by y. That's what I am writing. P is equal to 1 by y. P is equal to 1. 1 by y is equal to 1. What is Q? Q is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1. So I can write easily 1 by y is equal to, I can write 1 by 1. 1 by x is equal to, I can write 1 by 1. I can write 1 by 1. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by x is equal to 1. I can write 1 by 1. 1 I can write 1 by 1. So here 1 is equal to 1. That's why y is equal to 1. Here 1 is equal to 1. That's why x is equal to 1. Otherwise here itself we can do. Why? Because how to do? 1 by y is equal to 1. That implies y is equal to 1 is equal to y into 1 by y is equal to 1. Like that also you can do. That is your wish. Finally, y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. Or x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the answer for this first question. This is the question number 2. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This one also is not in pair of linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. That's why this you have to convert. How to convert? You can do here 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. LHS and RHS divides with xy. LHS and RHS 6x plus 3y 6xy. This divided by xy and RHS divided as xy. Now here that implies 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6xy by xy. Carefully, you see this sum. Here also 6 into x and x into y. That's why x and x will be cancelled. And here 3 into y and x into y, y and y will be cancelled. That's why 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to, here also xy you can cancel. Because 6 into x into y, x into y, x and x will cancel and y and y will be cancelled. That's why this is 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Now coming to this one, we have to do this in the same way. Here also 2x plus 4y by xy, 5x by xy. Why I divide with xy? Why? Because I want to eliminate this xy. That's what I divide in LHS and RHS with xy. That's what I divide with xy because of this xy. So here also this implies 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5x by xy. 5xy by xy. Here also x and x will be cancelled by the custom into x into y. X into y, 1 into y and y will be cancelled. X and x will be cancelled and y and y will be cancelled. That implies 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5 by y. 5 by y. 2 by y. 4 by x. That 5 by, not 5 by x, sorry. xy cancel no. 2 by y plus 4 by x and 5 xy cancel. That's why 5. This is equation 2. Equation 2. Now this is still it is in equations only. We have to reduce these two equations to a pair of linear equations in two variables, so that like the old method, so that we get x and y values. Okay, here already you know how to do 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. This is equation 1 and equation 2 just now I got. Here 6 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by x is equal to 6. 6 into 1 6 by y, 3 into 1 3 by x is equal to 6. Here 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. If you want, we can take 1 by y is equal to p and 1 by x is equal to q. That is our wish now, but I am taking 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. That implies 6 into 1 by y. 1 by y is nothing but q. 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. Why? Because 1 by y q, 1 by x p is equal to 6, and this equation 2 into 1 by y 2q plus 4 into 1 by x 4p is equal to 5. 2q plus 4p. Why? Because 1 by x is equal to p, 4p, 1 by x p, 1 by y q, 2q, 4p is equal to 5. This is equation 3, this is equation 4. Now I am going to solve these two equations by using, always I am using elimination method. If you want, you can do substitution method also, but already practiced cross multiplication method. For this year, the method is deleted from that syllabus. That's what practice, only that method is deleted in this chapter. That's why no need to practice that method, already practice it. The practice is enough. But these two methods, substitution and elimination, are very, very important for you. Now the equations 3 and 4, now I am going to solve these two equations. I will get p and q value, so that I can substitute p and q in this 1 by x and 1 by y, so that I will get x and y value. That is the final answer. Okay. Now we have to solve these two pair of linear equations in two variables by using elimination method. If you want, you can do substitution method also. So here 6p plus 3p is equal to 6. 6p plus 3p is equal to 6. And 2p plus 4p is equal to 5. 2p plus 4p is equal to 5. This is equation 4. Now I am going to eliminate q. I am going to eliminate q. That's why I am multiplying this equation 4 into 3. Equation 4 into 3. You see, this equation I am writing directly. Equation 3 into, if you want, you can write 1, otherwise you can write directly, but implies 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. Here, this equation 4 into, what is this? Into 3, no? Into 3 implies into 3. 3 2s are 6. This is p. 2q. So 6q. First one is 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. Second one is 2q plus 4p is equal to 5. Let me take, I have written p. This is q. 2q plus 4p is equal to 5. That's why 6q plus into 3 12p is equal to into 3 15. Into 3 15. Carefully see. This is into 3, 2 into 3 6, into 3 12, into 3 15. Here both are same symbols. That's why here plus, that's what I have to go for. I have to go for subtraction. That's why I am doing subtraction. Because of this minus, because of this subtraction, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So 6q minus 6q is equal to 0. 3p minus 12p. 3p minus 12p is equal to minus 9p. 3p minus 12p. 3p minus 12p. If you forget about this symbol, 3p plus 3p minus 12p is equal to minus 9p is equal to 6 minus 15. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. Here 9p is equal to 9. Minus 9p is equal to minus 9, 9p is equal to 9. P is equal to 9 by 9, P is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. Put P is equal to 1. Put P is equal to 1 in equation either 3 or 4. So 3. So 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. 6q plus 3p, 3 into p, 3 into 1 is equal to 6. That implies 6q plus 3 is equal to 6. 6q plus 3 is equal to 6. Once again here I am writing 6q plus 3 is equal to 6. 6q is equal to 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. That implies 6q is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That implies q is equal to 3 into 6 will be transposing divided by 6. Divided by 6. Then this is nothing but 3 table 1 times 3 table 2 times 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now I got P is equal to 1. Q is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer for this is the solution for these two equations. P is equal to 1 and T is equal to 1 by 2. Now I am going to find what is x value and what is y value. What is x value and what is y value. Here P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. Already 1 by x is equal to P and 1 by y is equal to Q. That's why 1 by x is equal to P. P is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1. Q is equal to Q for 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by x. Q is equal to 1 by y. Q is equal to 1 by y. Now I can write that 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1. From that I can write x is equal to 1. Otherwise here itself you can write x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the one answer. Now here in case of y 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. Y by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. Y by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. Y by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. That's why from this we can write y is equal to 2. From this we can write y is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Here directly you can write, if you want to go for cross multiplication, y into 1 is equal to y and 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That's why directly also you can write y is equal to 2. This is the final answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, this is the third problem. This same model already you did in elimination method. We did in another way. Now I am going to explain this sum in the present method. Here only we have to reduce 4 by x and 3 by x. You see here I can write 4 into 1 by x plus 3 by is equal to 14. No need to disturb this 3y. Already it is in order only. That's why leave like that. Now only you should reduce 4 into 1 by x. Directly also you can do by elimination method. Then that one this will be easy. That's what once again I am explaining this sum. 4 into 1 by x. Here 3 into 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. 4y is equal to 23. You see here itself the second question also I did not disturb the second term. So as it is here put or let or put no problem. 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by x is equal to p. Now the new equation 1 by x plus 4p plus 3y is equal to 14 and then 3p 1 by x p minus 4y is equal to 23. So the equations are reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. Here I just 4 by x I have written 4p and 3 by x I have written 3p. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now I will solve equation 1 and 2 so that I will get p and y values. After that I will get x value also. So Listen carefully. This is also very, very important. This sum already we did in elimination method. If you want, you can do that method also. But today you practice this method. This method is, I think, this method is comfortable. I think this method is comfortable. Okay, now I am going to solve this equation. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Here I am going to eliminate y. That's why I am going to multiply equation 1 into 4. This is equation 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Carefully you see. Equation 1 into 4. 1 into 4. 4 fours are 16p. 4 fours are 16p plus 4 in 12y is equal to 14 into 4, 56. 14 into 4, 56. So here 3p into 3. 3 3s are 9p minus 4 into 3, 12y is equal to 23 into 3, 69. Now understand once again. Multiply into 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 3s are 12, 14 into 4, 14 into 4, 56, here 3 into 3, 9, 4 3s are 12, 23 into 3 is equal to 69. Now, 1 plus symbol, 1 minus, that's what I have to go for addition, addition only. 12y minus 12y will be cancelled. Here this is 16p plus 9p is nothing but 25p is equal to 56 plus 69. 56 plus 69. 125. 125. Here 25 into p, 25p. This we can write 25 into p. P is equal to 125 by 25. 125 into will be divided by 25. P is equal to 5. P is equal to 5. Now substitute this p value in any of the equation. Put p is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1. So what is equation 1? 4p plus 3y is equal to 14. That implies 4 into 5 plus 3y is equal to 14. That implies 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. Here 20 plus, once again I am writing 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. 3y is equal to 14. 3y is equal to 14. This is nothing but 3y plus 20. That's why minus 20. Minus 20. 3y is equal to 14 minus 20. 14 minus 20 is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 by 3 into 3 no by 3. That implies y is equal to minus 2. I got y is equal to minus 2. Here I got two values. What is that? P is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Okay. The main question y value I got, but I should get the x value. How to get x value? Substitute already that 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by x is equal to p. That's why I'll get x value. So this is p value is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now I'll find x value. Okay, already I got y value. That is the main answer, no problem. Let us find x value. Here 1 by x is equal to p. Already we substituted. That's why p is nothing but 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 5. That is nothing but 1 by x is equal to 5 by 1. That is nothing but x by 1 is equal to 1 by 5. That is nothing but x is equal to 1 by 5. Now finally I got x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the final answer. Otherwise here itself you can directly also you can do. If you have 1 by cross multiplication, how to do in another way? 1 by x is equal to 5 by 1 cross multiplication. 5 into x again 5x is equal to 1 into 1 by Understand? 1 by x is equal to 5. 1 by x is equal to 5 by 1. 1 into 1. 5 will be x. That's why 5x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 5. You can do like that also, but which is comfortable for you. So find x and y value. This is the third sum. So these same models now I completed 3 sums. Practice well. These are very important. Especially these questions are hard, higher order thinking skills. Very important for examination point of view. So all of you practice well. And one more important point. Now I give assignment. So all of you do that assignment and send to your class teacher. Here assignment is given. Total 5 sums. The first 2 sums are today's first model. The second 3, 4, 5 are today's second model. All of you solve those sums and send to your class teacher. So you may get confused here also, very easy. So multiply for the first equation 3 into a 3a plus 3 into 3b 9b is equal to 11ab. So divided by 3a plus 9b by ab, 3a plus and is equal to 11 AB by AB, AB and AB cancel. Here also it will be cancelled. You will get the equation easily. So all of you solve these sums and send your class teacher. 5 sums are given for assignment. All of you do these sums. Okay. Thank you.